In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of ClickUp account. Whether you're wrapping up your day, switching devices, or just want a clean sign out, I'll walk you through a clear, simple process so you can log out confidently every time. We'll follow the exact path inside ClickUp, and I'll add helpful context so nothing feels confusing. Start by opening ClickUp in your web browser or desktop app, and make sure you're on the main workspace screen. If you've been working for a while, give the page a quick refresh so the interface is up to date. You should see your sidebar and the familiar ClickUp layout. If you're on a shared computer, it's a good idea to confirm you're in the correct account before signing out. Next, open the Workspace menu by clicking your workspace name. You'll typically find it in the sidebar, often near the bottom left area of the screen, alongside your avatar. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over the edge or click the expand icon so that the workspace name becomes visible. When you click the name, a menu will open with options related to your workspace and personal account. If you belong to multiple workspaces, you may also see a switcher here, which is normal. Just make sure you're interacting with the workspace you're currently in. From that menu, choose Settings. This will open the Settings view where account and workspace options are organized. Don't worry if it looks dense. You won't need to change anything complicated. The settings area is simply the place where ClickUp groups profile, workspace, and session options. Depending on your layout, settings may open in a panel or a full page, but the option you need will be in the same general area. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the logout option. It's typically located toward the bottom, beneath other account and workspace controls. Click Logout and give it a moment to process. You'll be taken back to the sign-in screen, confirming you're fully signed out on this device. If you use single sign-on, like Google or Microsoft, you'll still land on ClickUp's sign-in page and can close the window if you're done. To recap, open ClickUp, click your workspace name to reveal the menu, go into Settings, then scroll down and select Log Out. If you don't immediately see the workspace name or settings, expand your sidebar or zoom out slightly so the interface is visible. And if a session ever gets stuck, a quick page refresh usually clears it. That's it. Simple, secure, and done.